National Skill Training Institute, Ramantapur, Hyderabad, formerly called as ATA EPA. This institutes cater to the training needs of technicians as well as industrial professionals in the field of electronics, mechatronics. Now we have introduced a new emerging technology, that is the drone pilot, drone technology courses in our NSJ Ramantapur. So drone pilot course is a craftsman training scheme which is the duration is about 6 months and it is a NSQF level 3 course. This drone pilot course is caters to the young youth in the new generation of the technology job. Like they can go as a drone pilot, drone technician and drone assemble technician also. So our NSTI Ramantapur is well equipped with the drones as well as the drone simulator labs and 25 seated capacity classroom. The eligibility for this course is only the 10th passed, intermediate can join and other degrees also can join. The 10th passed should have the science and equivalent subjects. So they have to be there for 6 months. They will be well equipped, well trained with all the aspects in technicians as well as a drone pilot. As to the young generation for the employment in drone technician and drone pilot as well as in drone assembly technicians in many of the industries all India level as well as the international level. So our institute is well equipped with the drones and drone simulator training and a well equipped classrooms with the teaching aids. So we are offering two options, two types of courses. That is, one is a CTS course, as I told you before. It is of 6 months duration for the eligibility. That is a 10th passed with the science and the maths is a minimum eligibility criteria. And after that, any degree or any professional degree can join this course. Apart from this, we also offer a drone technician a short-term program, a minimum 5 days to 10 days based on the industry requirement, based on the young youth requirement also. So those courses you can just see in the coming slide.